Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can create a Skype account. So Skype is a proprietary telecommunication application that specializes in providing VoIP based video telephony conferencing and video calls. So if you want to create a video conference or if you want to video call your friends and family and you found out about Skype and now you want to know how you can create a Skype account, in this video, that is exactly what I'm going to show you. How you can create a Skype account in very easy steps. In order to create a Skype account, go to the search bar of your Windows and type Skype. Skype comes pre-installed with your Windows. So open the application. Now you'll see an interface like this. This is the sign-in interface of the Skype application. In order to create a Skype account, what you want to do is choose the option labeled as Create One. So tap on the Create One option. Now, Skype actually uses a Microsoft account as its account. It's a Microsoft owned application, that is why you use a Microsoft account in Skype. So to create a Microsoft account, what you need to do is enter your phone number. But if you don't want to use your phone number, you can also use your email. To use your email, what you need to do is choose the use your email instead option. Then enter your email. Once you enter your email, click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, Microsoft will ask you to create a password for its account. So create your password. Once you create a password for your account, click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, Microsoft will ask you for your name. So enter your name. Once you enter your name, click on the next button. Then Microsoft will send a verification code to your email or phone number respectively. It depends on what you use to create your account. Now go to that email and enter the code. After you enter the code, click on the next button. Now to create your Microsoft account, you need to solve a puzzle. Click on the next button, then solve the puzzle. Once you solve the puzzle, your Skype account, that is the Microsoft account, will be created. Now they will ask you to customize a profile. Once you customize your account, you'll come to the audio test. Here, the Skype application will test your microphone. Once you're satisfied with your mic, click on the continue button. Once you'll click the continue button, Skype application will start your video camera test. So they will test the camera. After you're satisfied with your camera, click on the continue button. Once you go through all the setup, your Skype account is created. Now you can start your video conferencing or you can call your friends and families with your Skype account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.